Kneel on the yoga mat or another soft surface. Cross your big toes so your feet create a support for your bottom to rest on. Sit back with your feet relaxed and without placing the ball of your foot to the floor. Place your hands in front of you on your knees while keeping your arms relaxed. You can face your palms up or down depending on what feels comfortable for you. Putting the hands into a prayer position can encourage the flow of energy. Straighten your spine so your back is perpendicular to the floor and not rounded. Pull your shoulders back and tighten your core, pulling your navel to your spine. Engage your neck to support your head as you gaze forwards. To come out of Thunderbolt Pose, uncross your big toes, kneeling up, and return back to the kneeling and ultimately standing position.